This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Dana Line. Welcome to this charming, updated and character-filled 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. From the moment you step onto the covered porch and enter, you're greeted by an open floor plan with vinyl floors, no carpet, bathed in natural light. A soaring vaulted ceiling crowns the family room, where a striking wood beam and a wood-burning fireplace create a cozy focal point. This space opens seamlessly into a beautifully updated kitchen, featuring stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and tile backsplash. There's ample space for a dining table, plus a raised breakfast bar for casual seating. The primary bedroom offers a peaceful retreat, complete with a walk-in closet and custom built-ins. Both renovated bathrooms exude modern elegance, with new fixtures, lighting, and sleek tile floors. An expansive Florida room, over 330 square feet, offers a versatile bonus space, not counted in the square footage. Step right out back to watch rocket launches. You'll love the convenience of an indoor laundry room, West and D included, with built-in cabinets as well as a large, fully fenced backyard, ideal for pets, play, or entertaining. The 2-car garage features an epoxy floor and a workbench for added convenience. Garage door opener replaced after 2020 and MyQ technology and video keypad added in 2025 for remote access and monitoring. An optional HOA is available for just $50 a year, if you choose to join. Nestled right in the community, the Wedgefield Golf Club awaits, with an exceptional 18-hole, par 72 course that blends challenge and beauty. Outdoor lovers will adore the nearby Hal Scott Nature Preserve, over 9,000 acres for hiking, fishing, horseback riding, and more. The Orlando MX and Orlando Speedworld are minutes away, with the Snow Hill mountain bike trails about 20 minutes away. And with just a 30-minute commute to downtown Orlando, or a short drive to the beaches in Cocoa and Melbourne, you'll have the best of both worlds. Don't miss out on this unique, inviting oasis. Roof 2016, hot water heater 2018, and HVAC 2012, come see for yourself. For more information, review the details below.